You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this nut. If you want to learn more food names that are confusing like this, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You'll want to learn from British English and American English. Pronunciations are similar. Chestnut. Chest. Nut. Stress on the first syllable. How to pronounce English pronunciation. Chestnut. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.